Are you struggling to control blood sugar no matter how much sugar you cut yourself off from? Still, blood sugar is not under control, it is not your fault. Hi, I'm Leona. In this video, Leona will be sharing with you one of the best supplements for blood sugar control. Insulin acts as a key for the utilization of glucose, in whose presence glucose can enter various major organs of the body. In the absence of food, the liver helps maintain normal blood sugar levels by converting stored fat and glycogen into glucose, so that enough glucose can be delivered to the muscles even without food. Thus, the level of sugar in the blood keeps on fluctuating within the same range. Sometimes this insulin is not made normally, due to which its amount decreases, then the level of glucose in the blood increases, due to which it is called diabetes. That's why I recommend Leona Glucofort. Because Glucofort helps maintain normal blood sugar levels by converting liver stored fat and glycogen into glucose, so that enough glucose is available to the muscles and blood sugar control. Even without meals, it is being used by other people around the world. Has proven to be more efficient at keeping my body's blood sugar normal. So you too click on this link and make Glucofort your own.